Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Phantom on your Metamask. So your first step is to click on this Ethereum main network and simply add the Phantom network. So click on add Phantom network, and once there, click on Phantom Opera, and then simply scroll and click on approve, and then click on switch network, and boom, we've got the Phantom Opera on our Metamask. As you can see, I do not possess any of this token now, but you can choose to get its corresponding or native token, which is the FTME. Click on buy FTME, and you can get it using your debit or credit card, your Google Pay, or your local your country's instant transfer, which is like a local bank transfer. So you then simply close this, and to avoid such hassle with adding your payment methods and your cards, all you need to do is simply minimize and open up the centralized exchange known as OKX. And with OKX, all you need to do is simply use our link to register, and you're going to stand a chance to get $10,000 worth of gifts and mystery boxes just by using our link to register alone. So once you're here, make sure you deposit cryptocurrency either from your Metamask or any other wallet. Here, click on the icon at the top left, click on convert, and now we can simply convert our OKB to FTME. Seeing as I have OKB on my OKX, so OKB, which is the native token of OKX, click on OKB, give it some time to load in, click on the search for, and click on FTME. And now all we need to do is simply enter an amount of the OKB. So let's go with 0.0015. Click on this, click on convert again. Click on view assets, and we're taken to the funding menu where we simply reload. And now our next step is to simply click on this FTME and simply click on withdraw. So once you've clicked on withdraw, click on on-chain, and in the space provided for address, you simply minimize and open up your MetaMask once more. So once your MetaMask has opened up, your next step would be to click on the FTME token, scroll and click on receive and copy your address, minimize, open up the OKX, paste the address here, select the network, which would be FTME Phantom, click on max, and then simply click on submit, and your FTME will be deposited directly on your MetaMask. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy this token, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.